Common acids. There are many common acids in our bodies and the environment around us. And we will look through a few. For example, hydrochloric acid, acetic acid, citric-acid, and ascorbic acid. Looking at hydrochloric acid, you would need to know how to write the chemical formula for hydrochloric acid. It is produced in the stomach for digestion. Its high acidity activates enzymes to catalyze the breakdown of proteins. Enzymes are biological catalysts that break down protein, so acidic environments are favorable for enzyme activity. We also have HCl vapors that are emitted from volcanoes, and this is where you can find hydrochloric acid. It is also manufactured, so it could be synthesized, and it's sold as muriatic acid, and one most important use is to clean bricks, to clean the mortar of bricks. We have acetic acid, which is also known as ethanoic acid, and it is usually known as vinegar. Again, you would need to know how to write the chemical formula for acetic acid. Vinegar is 4% solution of acetic acid, so it is not pure acetic acid, but got 4% of acetic acid. It is formed when wine naturally ferments due to microbial oxidation. And it is commonly used for food flavorings and preservatives because it stops the growth of microbes. Citric acid, C6H8O7. You would need to know how to write the chemical formula and also to name it using the systematic name. That is 2-hydroxypropane 1,2,3-tricarboxylic acid. It is a weak acid and it is found in citrus fruits. It is also formed during the cellular respiration of our body cells. So this is the structural formula for it. You have 6 carbon atoms, and you have the acetic acid groups here and the OH group here. Ascorbic acid, or commonly known as vitamin C, is found in green plants and citrus fruits. It would prevent the onset of scurvy, which is a lack of vitamin C. And that is how you would draw ascorbic acid. Now, acids have various industrial applications, especially sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is the most widely used acid and it is a very strong acid. So you would have all these precautions that you would enlist. Especially when you're doing an experiment in school for sulfuric acid, you should always include these precautions in your risk assessment. It is a strong acid with 2 hydrogens that it can donate. It has many uses: fertilizers, synthetic fibers, detergents, car batteries, explosives, and in petroleum refining, and in the production of industrial ethanol. You did come across this in production of materials where the hydration of ethene produced ethanol in the presence of dilute sulfuric acid. We also have nitric acid. Nitric acid again is a very strong acid. It is manufactured for the production of fertilizers, explosives, and numerous other chemicals. It is also used in labs. When mixed with sulfuric acid, nitric acid will form aqua regia. Aqua regia is the strongest form of acid possible, and it can dissolve many different metals amongst others. So it is a very strong acid and can be useful. So to produce aqua regia, you would mix nitric acid with sulfuric acid. We also look at some common bases. Just like acids, there are also naturally occurring and synthetic bases. First, let's take a look at lime water. Lime water has calcium hydroxide in it. Again, you need to know how to write the chemical formula for calcium hydroxide. It is a synthetic base. We have bicarbonate of soda. it has sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is a naturally occurring base. And again, you need to know how to write the chemical formula. So NaHCO3. Lime, which has calcium oxide, a synthetic base, and CaO is the chemical formula for that. Sodium hydroxide is found mainly in drain and ion cleaners, and it is a synthetic base. And the chemical formula for sodium hydroxide is NaOH. Household cleaners usually have ammonia, and the main base present is ammonium hydroxide. It is synthetic, and you would write the chemical equation as NH4OH.